a game is the person with the greatest number of points. That's the most points. The winner of the game has a total of 2,341 points. The person in third place has a total of 1,768 points. So let's kind of draw a little picture of what we have right now. We have first place, second place, third place. Our winner has this amount, 2,341 points. In third place, you have 1,768 points. Now, we care about how many points could the person in second place have. That means the amount of points second place is going to be in between 1,768 and 2,341. So, is this number 1,657 in between? No. 1,657 is actually less than 1,768. So we're not going to go with that. So let's get rid of it. I don't want to see it anymore. Say no to A. 1,899 is more than 1,768, but also less than 2,341. So that fits very comfortably right there in second place. So the answer is going to be B. Now let's look at the others and see why they don't work. 2,361 is more than 2,341, and 2,543 is even more than that. So B could be our answer, so we're going to circle that.